Go. Welcome back to my channel, part 2. My video 3-1. Look at I cook. Done. Look at this. Pusit. This is tuyo na siya. Ayan, luto na siya. My burger. I make it my burger. I put it here. Guys. Pandesal. What is this? And this one is mayonnaise. I don't have mayonnaise. It's fine, this one. Okay. Woo. Okay. That's Filipino way. And this is my burger. Yan. Yan. Put it here. Come on here. My lettuce. That's one. As long as a lettuce there. And then tomato. I love tomato. Tomato. I love tomato. Yeah. Here. I like. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. This one. Sa liit ng pandesal, hindi na magkasya. Okay, here. That's my burger. And this one is my pepino. Yes. Yes, so I put it here in my burger. Yes, baby. Yeah. My beef burger. It's done. It's done, baby. Yeah. It's done, baby ko. My cooking is done. And this one is paksiw. Done. Paksiw. That's paksiw. Okay? Now, I wanna eat my burger. You see my burger? That one is my burger. Burger! And what do you call this? Shrimp. This is my shrimp. Squid pala, pusit. Tuyo. Tuyo ang pusit. Somebody like it. I know somebody like it. Nilagyan ko siya ng olive oil. Yeah. Olive oil siya. Yan, masarap siya. Yan. Sarap. How many minutes, man? Hello, everybody. Now I start to eat. Yan. Kung gusto niyo ng ketchup, you can put the ketchup. Ako ayoko man ng ketchup. Ano lang, mayonnaise is fine. Yan. Yan ang burger. Yeah, pandesal. Ganun lang kalaki. May mahal is 2 savings chicken burger. She said, oh, that's enough, only one. But, oh, this is delicious. One more. She said, one more. Okay, go ahead. That's yours. This is my beef burger. That's your chicken burger. My pusit and my paksiw. A lot of food in my food. Siya na lang kanya, yung burger ni Mahal. Only one have. She have one left. Okay, thank you very much for watching us. Hindi muna tayo magkwentuhan. Masarap kumain. Kakain muna ako. O gusto niyo manood ng kumain na kain ako? Let's go eat or something. This is one bite here, guys. Look at this. My burger! Mmm! So good! Mmm! Wow! So good! Mmm! Delicious, baba! Mmm! How many minutes, Mahal? 6? That's why I'm cooking like this. Now I put in the Tupperware. Some. Dalawa. Bibigay ko kay... I give it to my best friend, you know. May kay Bess. Paborito niya to eh. Ayan. Ayan ang bibigay ko sa'yo, ha? Bess. Oh. Ayan, tama na sa'yo yan, Bess. Mahal ang pusit eh. Mahal ang pusit, kaya konti lang. Ala na ako nabili. Buti lang nakabili ko dito, malalaki. Dahil late ako ng punta. Sarap, walang kanin. I need rice. Rice, I need rice. My God. Sayang to. Sarap. Sarap, guys. Sarap man. Napakasarap ng luto ko. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching to my video. Please subscribe to my video. You can learn about cooking and chismis. So good. I have a lot of cooking. Next time, watch my video. You can watch and then, guys, listen to me. Thank you very much. I love you all. God bless you all. This is video 31. Pray to God every day, every night, every minute. Love you all.